Sorry about that, guys. My friends who just texted me, and I accidentally ended the video. So, hope you don't mind with like a 3-minute, 2-minute video. But, yeah. I think we will. Is this Extreme Hills? Let's see. Yeah, we can find emeralds in here, which is very nice indeed. And if we have the same luck as our first creative world, woohoo! We might actually find desert and jungle temples. Jungle temples would be the most likely, however, for there are so many jungle spaces around us. This is not the same seed as before, as you know, I think. But just in case, this looks almost the same as last time, but it is not the same. And I have a question for you guys. Please leave your answers in the description below. But what reminded me of this was the bat flying somewhere there. What do you think when bats should drop something? Item drops. Well, that was nice. What do you think bats should drop? I was not used to creepers there. Okay. I guess. Oh, there's my stuff. And there's a spider, of course. I knew that. Don't attack me. Oh no, here's a skeleton. Without a sword and stuff, I'm pretty weak. You suck. I don't want to be killed again by a creeper. Stop hitting me! It's really not nice to hit people, you know. So, yeah, I think I finished my thought, but when bats are allowed to drop stuff, what do you think they should drop? Should they drop red dye for blood? Because they suck people's blood and stuff like that? What do you think? Just something to get you guys engaged. So... yeah. This is nice. Super flat world. I'll be getting onto that next episode. So, don't fret. Yeah. And my house, should it be on the extreme hills or on one of these giant jungle trees or in the water? That would be pretty cool, in the water. And the iron, I think, is somewhere down there. Please ignore the zombie pig man in the background. That's just a friend playing Minecraft in the nether. You're dead to me, Mr. Piglet. Why? I don't like how they removed the black border of meat and stuff. It doesn't look right. Just not the same. Not the same at all. So yeah. It looks kind of weird. Another thing I don't like about the 1.4 is that sand sounds like there's a creeper behind you. Like when you're walking on sand, it sounds like a creeper's gonna explode and stuff like that. So yeah, there's my personal opinions of the updates. But overall, Minecraft is a great game. It's probably the game I'm gonna play most on the YouTube channel. But other games I'd be happy to play on Kids Play Games 987, I was gonna play Assassin's Creed because I'm a total noob at it, and you guys were gonna be able to laugh at me failing. But I'm not sure when Rosie actually wants to do that. So, for now we'll be collecting wood. This is the most boring part of survival, which is why I don't really want to bore you guys. I'll pause the video here, I'll collect some wood, and then I'll come back. So, if I fail, I'll record it. If I don't, I'm all good. So, see you guys in a second. I'm back, guys. I didn't collect that much wood. I just didn't want to go away for too long and you'd be like, hey, she didn't get that. Why did she build a house? We didn't see it. So, I wanted to do all that kind of stuff on camera. So, I decided to build my house somewhere near the extreme hills because there's at least a couple emeralds in here. I can feel it. I can just feel the emeralds. Can't you? Just feel it. So we're gonna build our house here. And then, cause it almost got dark and then it got light again, as you can see. But it's kind of scary. I just had to fight off mobs and it was just hectic. I did not die though, so kudos to me. I usually die from that kind of stuff. As you can see, one creeper blast killed me. And oh no. Ooh, cow killed itself. Ah. I'm sorry, Mr. Cow. Sometimes cows can drown themselves and stuff like that. I did not make any swords, did not make any house, just collected wood is all I did. The boring stuff. Kamikaze! What did you drop? Did you even drop anything? If you didn't, that's just... Oh, my hunger bar is down. So about the multiplayer thing. Soon, probably next episode you'll see, is gonna involve me playing on a server, Hunger Games. So that's gonna be lots of fun. With a few of my good friends. So we're gonna have lots of fun there, and I will record it, and that's what people are talking about. They're just texting each other like, OMG, Hunger Games is gonna be so awesome, etc. We're all excited. We all like to play. So, well, this looks awesome. What if I made my house right up there? Right up there, or right there. I think I should make my house right up there. Or near the waterfall, I don't know, it all looks pretty to me. These are all extreme hills, so either one I choose, well, I think they're all extreme hills, because they're all hills. I think they're extreme. So therefore they must, oh, no, water. Scary times! Watch there be a creeper behind me that's gonna blow me up anyway. I betcha. With my luck, it'll happen. Creepers with Mega Blast doesn't really work for me, because one blast and I'm dead. If I don't have any armor, that is. Like right now, have no armor, just 2 pieces of leather. So, maybe I should build my house up there. No. If I can stick. I have to wrap this episode up. Maybe I'll find a place for my house. Maybe I'll explode. Tune in for next episode where I'll choose my place for my house, try not to get blown up by creepers, and probably explode. See you next time. This is Right Hand Survival. I don't want to drown. And see you all next time.